how we can perform user input in Java. So a user input can be performed with the help of a scanner class. That is a class in Java which was introduced in Java after some version. So what I'll do, I'll just create a program, right click new and then class. So what is that class? User input, and let me create a package com.java.test input. Then let me click on finish. Right. So now what we can do. Now we can go with the main class first of all, and then we'll just go with integer a, comma b, comma c semicolon. Now we want to perform their addition. So what is that input? So this input ideally we can perform if we'll go with a manual input. We can simply print sysout c. Because this that gives us a output. But see, we don't want this. So we want a user input. So now what is scanner? See, scanner. Scanner is a class that you can see that is inside the package java.util. It means we require a package java.util, utility package to be imported. Okay, so it should be import in our Java class. So import again is a keyword which is used to import any external file or package, anything. Okay. So now I'll have scanner control space. When you'll press control space, you can see that scanner is in line number 8. Okay. Now when I'll press double click, so it goes to line number 10 and this line introduced. Let me press control Z. Now we don't have anything between line number 1 and 3. When I'll press control space, enter, so that package is imported. This is scanner. Now what scanner has? Let me open this scanner API. This is the scanner that was introduced from 1.5. Okay. And it has all the it has all the respective types. Okay, the data type, variable type. So if you want to import anything, so what should be the keyword? The keyword should be next and then variable type. So what type of variable will this? It means if you want to import any integer, so it should be next int. If you want to import any float, so it should be next float. If you want to import any double, it should be next double, like this. Right. So now if we want to import any integer, so first of all, we need to create object. Scanner, let me maximize this. Scanner equals to new control space scanner. Now see, it has n number of constructor. So this is a simple scanner with a file source name. We are going with this one, input stream source. So what is input stream source? Again, I'll go to this scanner constructor and you can see this is the constructor of a scanner once again. Let me open command prompt cmd and let me open dcd java java.util scan. Anything missing? Yes, spelling is not correct. Util.scanner. Okay, now there you can see these all are the constructor of a scanner. There. We are going to use this one, input stream, okay, to perform any type of input. So see, in Java, ideally what we'll have, when you want to print anything, so we'll write system.out. Now what is out? Out is the reference of print stream class, remember, and that is static. Okay, that you can see there. This is the reference of print stream. So in the same way, we'll have a in system dot in. Now what is in? In is the reference of input stream. You can see. See in. Let me open this. Now you can see this is the reference of input stream. Right. Now I'll just go with a semicolon. So this is the complete syntax for the user input. Open string. Okay. Now what we can do? See, now we'll have our, this is the reference. So that reference can be anything. We can go with S, SC, anything. So this is our reference variable. Now we can go with sc dot next in. There you can see. And in the same way, we'll have sc dot next in semicolon. Okay, looks good. Now we can print that, but see, what is a suggestion? Just prompt a message sysout, enter the value of A and B. You can prompt a message. Now let me run this code. And we'll have, see, 12, 13, and we'll got output as a 25. So again, the scanner is a class. Remember that class is in Java 1.5 inside java.util package. Okay, that was introduced from Java 1.5, and it will going to use in. System means console. Remember, the meaning of system is console. System is console. So if you want to print anything on console, you need to write system dot out. And if you want to print anything, like if you want to input anything, so you need to go with system dot in, right? So that's it.